Ooh, it's bright outside. What's going on, guys? It's a new day. It's Saturday for me. I'm not sure what day I'll get this video up. Hopefully tonight. I try to stay on top of it. Anyway, got the Jeep out. We're gonna go down to a buddy's house and help him work on some stuff. He's got a few projects that I'm helping on because he just needs some help. So hopefully my backpack stays in there. I don't know if I trust it. We'll see. I've been driving the Jeep lately, and so far it's been really good as a daily. The only thing that kind of sucks, and I mean, it could be worse, is since I do drive this in the woods and whatnot and wheel it, my floorboards have so much sand and so much debris in them, it flies right up in my face, and I don't have any good sunglasses, but we're gonna head down there. I should probably stop and get something to eat on the way. It's like 20 minutes, but we'll see. I drove this to town yesterday, and it was like 40 miles round trip, and it did awesome. I mean, it really did awesome. So today, since I'm not in a rush, I'll try to get some video while driving. I'm sure the wind noises will be brutal. It's like a wind tunnel in here, but I guess I'll find out just as well as you. So I'll check back in when I'm on my way. So we're almost to Stevens. I don't know if you can hear me. It's a bit windy. I tried to pull the camera out when I was doing like 60, and it was like, you wouldn't have been able to hear me. But we're almost there. Jeep's doing good. TV's outside. I bet he ain't even outside. I bet he's sitting in his house. By the looks, it looks like he's sitting in his house. He doesn't like to work on things alone. We're on the opposite. I don't mind it. I enjoy it. We don't use horns, we use exhaust. Yep, sitting in the house, as always. We're at Steven's house for like an hour now, and we're getting his LS set up out of this donor for his OBS truck in the garage. The motor and transmission and everything's right there, and we're just getting the harness out now. But I was pulling the dash apart, trying to get all the wires out because this is drive-by wire, and I was gonna get the OBD port out. And I pulled the four-wheel drive button selector and all that shit off, and look at them assholes in there. Oh, you can't even see him. I'm gonna get closer, I'm gonna get fucking stung, watch. Yeah, look at them dickheads in there. I didn't get stung, so that's a plus. But we're gonna set these bitches on fire, cause that's the way we do it around here. Blow shit up and set it on fire. We gotta see this.
Don't try this at home.
Mist and shine with a lighter.
There's a small fire in there.
Look at them. Look at all of them on the ground. Better get them. They're pissed.
Smells like bubblegum.
They ain't pissed no more. They did. Smoking. But might as well do a walk around real quick. Well, that shit's cool enough. Yeah, we didn't damage any wires. That's a plus. So he's got a 06, right? 06? 53?
05.
0553. And we're gonna put it in this truck. His OBS. This motor's still in. We gotta take this one out yet. But what was wrong with this one? It's blown up.
Locked it up driving home from Twisted Trails.
So we're gonna upgrade. Get rid of that old dinosaur technology and go with direct fuel injection, because that's way better. So we're gonna get back to getting this harness out. Hopefully all the wasps are dead. That'd be sweet. And then after we do this, are we gonna pull the square body in? Or no, not yet.
We can either do axles on that, or we could back that up and start pulling the motor.
I say we back that up, start pulling the motor.
Yeah.
So then we can at least put this one in and then it's not on the floor.
Yep.
So as you can tell, I'm wearing a different shirt in the same video because we're continuing yesterday's video. Yesterday we got the harness out of the Tahoe so that can go to the scrapyard. So Steven ended up getting 2 more K5s for us to work on.
Yep, projects.
More projects, like there's not enough projects. That one's gonna get fixed. We got another one we're LS swapping in the garage. There's another square body, an OBS, his buddy's junk Explorer. That's on solid axles. But we kind of ran out of motivation yesterday, and then I had other things to do, so I left early. And this morning we went to Menards, and we're gonna be working on the shop today. We got 8 2x10s, 4 4x4s, and some OSB, and we're gonna build a loft in the back of the shop to clean this place up. He's getting it. That truck's badass. Anyway, so harness is out of the Tahoe. That's all good to go. We got it on the ground. And then I can start going through that thing. But the last, we're gonna go where that board is, all the way across from side to side. It's 24 feet. We're gonna go 6 feet out and then across and build a loft up there, put a bench up there, table, TV, and then we'll store a bunch of shit on this side. And that's the plan. So we're gonna get after it because it's already like noon, I think. I hope it's not noon.
12:30.
Oh, it's 12:30. We got a lot to do. So we're gonna get after it, and I'll check back in a little while, take a look at it. As you see, it's a mess in here, but it's not gonna be for long. So see you guys in a bit with the power of YouTube magic. It's gonna be so clean in here. All right, so now it's, let's see, 3:08. I don't know if you can read that. 3:08. So it's
2.5 hours?
Almost 2.5 hours since I checked in last time. It's been raining. It wasn't the best day to drive the Jeep. We got a tarp over it. But if you can see back, let's see, all right up there, we got shelves. It's a mess in here right now, but that's why we're building a loft, is to get a bunch of the stuff off the floor. We use 2x10s. We got 2 more 4x4 posts to put in that'll go to the ground. We're gonna split the difference from the side. They're each 12 feet, so we'll go in 6 feet. And then we're gonna do 3/4 OSB across the top. And this side over here, we're gonna have a TV, like over in here, a bench, and then eventually maybe cut in a window and do an AC up there. But for now, we're gonna throw the OSB on, the last 4x4s, and build some stairs off this side, just some short, high angle stairs, just so it doesn't take up a bunch of space. And then get all this stuff off the floor. Once it's off the floor, it means more room, and we're gonna build more shelves all around in corners we don't use, up high, so it's not in the way of pulling vehicles in and out. But we're sweaty. Woo! It's hot. It's like 80 degrees and raining, so it's humid and it sucks. But we're getting it done. So we'll check back in after the OSB is up. And we put a bunch of stuff up there and make this garage a whole lot cleaner. All right, it's late, it's hot. We're gonna call it a night. Steven's over going through some of his stuff to put up here. There's a bunch of stuff we don't need up there. But got the mezzanine done. Other than the staircase, we gotta do the staircase, but got our floor up here. We're gonna do a bench over there, TV over there eventually. So we put some outlets up there. Those need to get finished. But to start, we're gonna have to come back and hit it hard again and get some lights up in the bottom of the mezzanine. We're gonna put lights all the way through the bottom. We got some 2x2s that were in a grid ceiling. We're gonna put under here. Got a workbench under here. Put a toolbox over in that corner and a bunch of other stuff. But we're gonna call it a night. Go home, get some stuff done around the house, and hopefully I'll be back this week to help and get more stuff done. But with work, it usually doesn't allow that, but we're gonna try. So for this one, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'm out. Peace.